if your phone screen suddenly became black and white and you want to restore the colors, so here is a way to bring them back, because sometimes it happens because of some settings option. And watch it till the end, because I'll give you a valuable tip on avoiding this problem in future. So there may be a couple of reasons for that problem to happen, and I'll try to cover them up. So the first reason may be our bedtime mode. You are to open up your settings, then locate your digital well-being and parental controls. Here, scroll down to your bedtime mode, and if this option is on, make sure to turn it off. It should be better. However, if, like in my case, the problem still persists, we are to go back to our settings, scroll down to your accessibility, locate your vision enhancement, then locate your color correction and make sure to turn off this option. And as we see, the colors are back. Let me show it to you. All the colors are back. And basically that's it. Sometimes you may have used it accidentally. It's not a big deal, so you can always fix it. If the problem still persists, I recommend you try to reboot your phone, because it may be like just a software bug. So if the problem persists and your screen sometimes still gets dark, once again, let's open up our bedtime mode and check on the schedule. So if it has an automatic schedule, turn it off, press turn off, press done, and it should be good. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.